Clearlax is a laxative solution that increases the amount of water in the intestinal tract to stimulate bowel movements. Clearlax is used as a laxative to treat occasional constipation or irregular bowel movements. Indications: Clearlax powder is used to treat occasional constipation. It works by holding water in the stool to soften the stool and increases the number of bowel movements. It is known as an osmotic type laxative. This medication is also available without a prescription. How to use: follow directions on a prescription label. Don't use Clearlax in larger or small amounts or for longer than recommended. To use the powder form of this medicine, measure your dose with the medicine cup on the bottle. This cup should contain dose marks on the inside of it. Pour the powder into 4 to 8 ounces of a cold or hot beverage such as water, juice, soda, coffee or tea. Stir this mixture and drink it right away. Don't save for later use. Clearlax should produce a bowel movement within 1 to 3 days of using this medication. This medicine normally causes loose or even watery stools. Don't use Clearlax more than once per day. Call a doctor if you are still constipated or irregular after using this medication for 7 days in a row. Contraindications: you should not use this medicine if you are allergic to polyethylene glycol or if you have a bowel obstruction or intestinal blockage. If you have any of these conditions, you could have dangerous or life-threatening side effects from Clearlax. People with eating disorders such as anorexia or bulimia should not use this medication without the advice of a doctor. To make sure this medicine is safe for you, tell a doctor if you have nausea, vomiting, or severe stomach pain, ulcerative colitis, irritable bowel syndrome, kidney disease, if you have had a sudden change in bowel habits that has lasted 2 weeks or longer. Warnings: you should not use Clearlax if you have a bowel obstruction or intestinal blockage. If you have any of these conditions, you could have dangerous or life-threatening side effects from Clearlax. Don't use Clearlax more than once per day. Call a doctor if you are still constipated or irregular after using this medication for 7 days in a row. Clearlax side effects: get emergency medical help if you have signs of an allergic reaction, hives, difficult breathing, swelling of your face, lips, tongue, or throat. Stop taking Clearlax and call a doctor at once if you have severe or bloody diarrhea, rectal bleeding, blood in your stools, or severe and worsening stomach pain. Common side effects of Clearlax may include bloating, gas, upset stomach, dizziness, or increased sweating.